Come and spend a Sunday with me as a mom with 2 sets of twins. Does anybody else have to have a very specific seating arrangement so that the kids don't fight even though they're gonna fight? First, we head off to Target, and y'all look at Tita. She is such a daddy's girl. Is it just me, or does anybody else have a mini-me? Like, she is literally the mini Shannon. Y'all know I am a sucker for the Target dollar spot, and I got lucky. I found this thing, which I had seen on TikTok, and was like, oh, that's super cute. And then I was able to find it in real life. Then I had to go search for the family, and it was pretty much a given that they would be in the toy section. My man is obsessed with wrestling. I literally read the WWE encyclopedia to him at night. Then we headed over to the Cheesecake Factory to have brunch. Their cinnamon pancakes are so good. Now everybody's gonna fight about who gets to sit by me. That's so irritating. It's like, please, can we just sit down? Y'all, the food was so good. When I tell y'all it was so good, I mean it was delicious. After that, we went and walked around the mall. I was on the hunt for shorts because it is getting hot and I need shorts. Relaxing family days like this are the best to me. They just warm my heart, and I really try to be in the moment because I know one day they're gonna be grown and off doing their own thing. This is a really cool water fountain in the middle of the mall. It's like an open air type of mall. I actually didn't find any shorts, but Coco did find some flip-flops she liked, but of course now she hates them and won't wear them. Mimi got an I Am Groot shirt and another Guardians of the Galaxy shirt. We just went to the movies and watched it. And that's how we ended our Sunday afternoon.